In today's video, I will walk you through how to connect business email to Shopify. To begin, access your Shopify account and make sure you're inside your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you're on the main dashboard, look toward the lower left corner of the screen and locate the Settings option. Click on Settings to open your store settings. This section contains various configuration options for your Shopify store. After entering the Settings area, find and select General. Once the General page opens, you'll be able to view your store information and store details. Within the Store Details section, look for the Edit icon. Click to begin editing your store information. After opening the editing screen, locate the field where your business email can be entered or updated. Carefully enter your business email address into the appropriate field. If necessary, also review the phone number field and any other available store information shown on the page. Make any updates that are required. Continue reviewing the details displayed on the screen, and make sure all information is entered correctly. Pay close attention to the email field to ensure the address is accurate. Once you have finished entering your business email and updating any other store information, scroll down until you find the Save button. Click Save to apply the changes to your Shopify store settings. Wait for Shopify to process and save the update. After the changes have been saved, review the page to make sure the new information has been successfully updated. Confirm that the business email now appears correctly within your store details. Next, check the email account that you entered in the settings. Look for any email related to the update. Review any messages that arrive regarding the changes you made. If you receive an email related to the update, follow any instructions provided within that message if required. Return to your Shopify admin panel and verify once more that the business email listed under Store Details matches the email address you intended to connect. You can revisit the General Settings section at any time if you need to make additional updates to your business email or other store information. Whenever you need to update your contact information in the future, simply return to Settings, open General, click the pencil icon in Store Details, make your changes, and save them. That's all there is to it. By following these steps, you can successfully connect your business email to Shopify and update your store details directly from the Shopify admin settings. Thank you for watching.